Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to add stickers to Instagram reel. So first of all you have to just open your Instagram application and then click on the plus icon at the bottom of this page, and here you have to just click on the reel, and here you have to just select the reel that you want to add to your reels. Like I am selecting this one and then click on the add. Doing so you will find here's a step of the interface. You have to just click on the next, and here you have to just tap on the stickers icon at the top of this page, and here you will find a lot of the stickers. You have to just select the one that you want to add to your reel. Like I am selecting this one, and here I can modify it according to my requirements. So I just move it to the bottom of this reel, and doing so I have to just click on the next. Doing so this sticker has been added to your reel. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.